Picture.
Dang, hindi ka nakabili ng candle?
Meron din kanina. Baka
No,
na
I have. Hindi, akala ko nakabili.
In Mario.
How old are you? How old are you? Two. How old are you? How old are you?
She's saying,
Hi, little Monet.
Saan ba ilalagay yung candle? Anyway.
that's funny.
Okay, Rachel, blow the cake.
Lagay ka na ka.
Dora.
Ay, kailangan ng ano pala.
Oh, no.
Doon ka umupo, Che. Kasama niya, doon ka umupo para. De. Tommy. Happy.
Rachel, dali na.
Okay, sige.
I have
Dear Rachel.
Yay, thank you.
Muna, Michelle, blow.
Blow muna na cake anak ko, okay? Hindihan muna.
because lollipop.
Asan sila Ate Lorna? Pupunta
Darating yun, pero alam mo,
Why is it
mga
so?
Pilipino time. May lang na ano.
Okay, go, Rachel. Blow the cake.
Blow the cake anak ha.
You have to go over to the Che. Doon mo siya paupuin.
Muna yan dito, Che, para hindi siya maano, Che.
What is that?
Tapos paharapin mo siya dito,
Blow the
Che.
cake anak, okay?
Sandali.
Wait. Okay.
Okay.
Make a wish anak.
Blow,
Make a
blow.
wish, anak. May sabi.
gagano natin.
Oh, sige.
I know what her wish will be.
Paharapin mo dito.
Yeah.
Siguro ganun, Ate Paul. Oo, para makita yung...
Yay, blow the cake anak ha.
Blow the...
I mean the candle. Blow.
Okay, blow.
She was